My hobby is painting.
I love playing the guitar. I enjoy reading books.
I like cooking. What is your hobby? Hello, my favorite hobby is drawing. I enjoy drawing people, animals, and scapes. I usually draw with pencils and my sketchbook. Drawing helps my imagination. It's a fun hobby that makes me happy. Hello, my favorite hobby is embroidery. I enjoy creating beautiful patterns on fabric. I usually work on small projects in the evening. Embroidery improves my patience. It is a relaxing hobby that I love. Hello, my favorite hobby is gardening. I enjoy planting flowers, vegetables, and small trees. Gardening helps me feel calm. I truly enjoy. Hello! My favorite hobby is cooking international cuisine. I love exploring new flavors and learning about different cultures. It is a creative hobby that I really love.
Hello, my favorite hobby is playing basketball. I enjoy practicing my shooting and dribbling skills with my friends. We usually play after school or on weekends. Basketball helps me stay healthy and work well with others. It is a fun and energetic hobby.
Hello! My favorite hobby is having picnics. I enjoy spending time outdoors with family, enjoy nature, and spend quality time. Hello! My hobby is jogging around my neighborhood. I jog early in the morning. The air is fresh and the streets are quiet. Jogging keeps me healthy. It is very rewarding.
My favorite hobby is keeping birds. I enjoy caring for them and listening to their song. Every day, I feed them and clean their cages. Keeping birds teaches me patience. It is a rewarding hobby that I love. Hello, my favorite hobby is keeping tropical fish. I enjoy taking care of colorful fish. Every day, I check the water quality. Keeping tropical fish help beauty of nature. It is a peaceful hobby and joy. Hello! My favorite hobby is performing magic tricks. I enjoy surprising my family and friends. Practicing tricks helps me improve my confidence. It is a fun hobby. It always makes people smile.
Hello! My favorite hobby is tasting food. I enjoy trying traditions from different countries. I visit food festivals with my friends. This allows me to experience different cultures. It is a delicious hobby. My favorite hobby is learning foreign languages. I enjoy studying English and communicating with people. I practice every day by speaking. It opens new opportunities and helps me understand cultures.
Hello, my hobby is learning AI. I enjoy exploring how it solves problems. I watch on courses and practice with tools. It is a fascinating hobby.
Hello, my favorite hobby is live streaming. I enjoy broadcasting live videos and interacting with people from around the world. Live streaming helps me improve my confidence. It is an exciting hobby. Hello, my favorite hobby is journaling. I write about my daily experiences, thoughts, and personal goals every evening. Journaling helps me organize my thoughts and reflect on my day. My favorite hobby is meditation. I usually meditate in the morning before starting my daily activities. Meditation helps me reduce stress and feel more peaceful. Hello! My favorite hobby is origami, colorful paper into animals by following books and online tutorials. Origami helps me improve my concentration and creativity. My favorite hobby is photography. I enjoy taking pictures of nature, people, and beautiful places. Photography carry my camera whenever I travel. It is an exciting hobby that I love. Hello! My favorite hobby is painting. I enjoy creating colorful pictures using watercolor and acrylic paints. I usually paint nature, flowers, and sunsets. Painting helps me relax.
Hello, my favorite hiking, through forests and climbing mountains. I usually go hiking on weekends to enjoy beautiful scenery. Hiking helps me stay healthy and feel refreshed. It is an adventure.
Hello! My favorite hobby is horseback riding. I enjoy riding horses in the countryside and learning new riding skills.
My favorite hobby is hydroponic gardening. I invest vegetables without using soil. I usually take care of my plants by checking the water and nutrients. This hobby helps me learn about healthy food. It is an interesting hobby. Hello! My favorite hobby is learning public speaking, communication skills. Public speaking helps me become more. It is a valuable hobby that I truly enjoy.
My favorite hobby is training dogs. I enjoy teaching my dog new commands and fun tricks. I usually spend time practicing with my dog every afternoon. It is a fun and strengthens our friendship. It is a stringingful hobby. Hello! I enjoy helping people through social activities. I join charity events and projects. Volunteering makes me happy because I can make a difference. It is a meaningful hobby that I love.
Hello! My favorite hobby is fishing. I enjoy spending time by the river weekends with my family or friends. Fishing helps me relax and enjoy nature. It is a peaceful hobby. Hello! My favorite hobby is making coffee. I enjoy trying different coffee beans and brewing methods. I usually make coffee for myself and my family every morning. Making coffee helps me relax and learn new brewing techniques. Enjoyable hobby.
Hello! My favorite hobby while listening television. Knitting helps me relax and improve my creativity. It is a peaceful hobby that I truly enjoy.
I enjoy reading books and watching videos about personal finance and the stock market. Different strategies in my free time. Learning about investing helps me make better that I truly enjoy. Hello is learning coding. I enjoy writing solving programming challenges. I usually practice coding on my computer every evening. Learning coding helps me improve my problemology better. It is a useful and hobby. Hobby is developing mobile apps. I usually spend my weekends friends and tablets. I usually spend my weekends and testing my apps. Developing mobile apps me learn new technologies. It is an exciting hobby.
Hello is making handicrafts. I usually make materials. I usually make handmade items. This hobby helps me express my is a fun and rewarding hobby.